we're having a broccoli cheddar quiche. And I have in this little skillet some olive oil, some butter, some celery, onions, some broccoli, obviously. And I'm going to put in just a couple of shakes of salt because, you know, vegetables have a tendency to be pretty fresh. I'm going to add in a little pepper and some Trader Joe's seasoning. I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic powder, just a little. I don't want the garlic flavor to overwhelm it. I'm going to add in some black pepper. Here's the Trader Joe's seasoning, because you do want it to be very flavorful. And then here's the black pepper. Okay. And I'm going to give this a little bit of a stir. The only reason it was in this skillet is because I wanted to melt the butter. So I'm going to put all that together. Now I'm going to pour all of this into a larger bowl. And once I get it into the larger bowl, I'll add the cheese and the milk and eggs. I have my 6 eggs, and I'm going to break those up. And like some beet. I'm going to add in my cup of milk. Messy, huh? Okay. Now, I'm going to the eggs here. I'm going to sit that there and just kind of sit this beater right there in case I need it. I'm going to add in some cheese. I'm going to put the cheese in the pie pan. I'm going to bring the pie pan over, get everything in there, pour this over it. I'm going to actually season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's put in a little bit of pepper. But even though I have salt on the vegetables, just a little bit of salt, because it doesn't come salted. Eggs don't. And in fact, I'm going to put in a touch of pepperoncino, just a little. Just a touch. I'm going to give this another stir. There we go. Now, we are ready to get this in the pie plate. All right, now in my pie plate, the first thing I'm going to do is to add all the vegetables. Get those in, and we'll spread those out. I'm going to sprinkle a combination of cheese. I have a package of Italian cheese. I'm going to put a little bit of that in. And then I have some sharp cheddar. So we got a little bit of everything. And you know, I like cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese. I think I'll take the back of that spoon and just mix it up a little more. So it's all over. broccoli and cheese. What's better? There is nothing better than broccoli and cheese. And let's see, I have a little bit of broccoli left. I'll get all of that goodness in there. Okay, now I'm going to pour our egg mixture over it. And try to pour to the middle and let it fill up. May have a little left over. If I have enough left over, then that means I get to fix a second one. Okay. I think I'm going to have enough for 2. There we go. Now I'm going to sprinkle just a little more cheese. Okay, quit hating. Now my oven is set on 375. And I'm going to put this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Ho, ho, ho. Are you ready for a delicious quiche? My quiche has come out of the oven, and it is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it has just a teeny tiny bit of jiggle, which it should. It's nice and hot. Needs to sit about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to start to cut it. Now once I cut it, I'm going to cut it into 4s. Hook our plate. You saw the salad is ready. I'm going to add some dressing to the salad. We like Ken's. That's one of our favorite salad dressings. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the salad just a little bit. I've got salt, pepper, some celery salt on that salad. And I'm going to add the quiche to the plate. All right. Start here. Oh, that's good. Now, when you have vegetables involved, you're going to have a little bit of juice, and that's okay. But it's nice and hot and ready to go. Get my spatula and lift it out. Ooh, the first piece came out beautifully. Turn it around so you can see the heat coming off. Get you right on there so you can take a good look. And there we go. We've got delicious quiche. Ooh, sorry. And dinner is served for Monday night.